Dear professors, for evaluating the semester answer scripts uploaded by the students, kindly log in to ssctpt.edu using your staff ID and password. Once you log in, you will see the icon course evaluation. Kindly click this, and this will take you to the page containing a drop down menu containing many options. Among this, you will find an option semester examination. So kindly click this to proceed further. And once you click this, you will find many options in the next page like course, program, type, register number, etc. Now you can start selecting the options from the scroll down menu. Like you can choose the course, program, and then under the type you can choose evaluation to evaluate the answer scripts. Now you will be able to see all the register numbers whose papers are uploaded during the semester examinations. And now choose the register number which you want to evaluate. As you select each register number, the uploaded answer script will be displayed to you on the screen. Now you will be able to access the manuscript by scrolling it up and down, so you can go through the answer script on your screen. You can also view the question paper from the option View Question Paper, and once you click this, the question paper will be displayed to you on the screen. So this will enable you to go through the question paper and evaluate the answer script accordingly. Now you can start evaluating the answer script and award the marks for the respective questions on the right hand side of your screen. If a student has answered more number of questions than expected, kindly take the best ones. You can now value the answer script completely by entering the marks on the table found on the right hand side. Once you have finished the evaluation, now you can click Save and Next, and this will enable you to value the next answer script by selecting it from the drop down menu of the register number. So you can continue to value all the answer scripts that are allotted to you in this manner. Now if you want to modify any of these marks, you can go to the option Modify, and you can see all the valued papers. Now select the register number whose mark you want to modify and do the modification, because the interface will now allow you to edit or modify the marks that you have awarded. And once you have completed the modification, you can once again check for the corrections, and you can click Save and Next, and the marks will be saved. Again you can click Evaluate, and then evaluate the next paper that is found in the register number drop down menu. In the web page, you will find an icon Final Submit, which is not activated until you complete all the papers allotted to you. But once you complete all the papers, then this icon will be activated and you will be able to do the final submission. Once the final submission is done, the marks will be automatically sent to the controller's office. Now when you evaluate, kindly allot the marks according to the question paper and not according to the scheme. Once you finish your evaluation, you can click Log Out. Thank you.